Imagine a monument so grand, it was initially planned to depict famous American heroes from head to waist. This was the original concept for Mount Rushmore, a vision so ambitious, it was bound to transform over time. The visionaries behind this grand design were Don Robinson, South Dakota's state historian, and Gutzon Borglum, an acclaimed sculptor. Robinson's dream was to create a monument that would promote tourism in South Dakota. Borglum, on the other hand, had the artistic prowess to turn this dream into reality. Together, they conceived a monument that would pay homage to America's greatest heroes. Initially, the plan was to sculpt these figures from head to waist, but due to financial constraints and the unpredictability of the granite, the plan was revised. Instead, the focus was shifted to carving their faces. But as we all know, the grand vision took a turn, and we ended up with the iconic faces carved into the mountainside. Behind the stern gaze of Lincoln's carved face, rumors persist about a hidden chamber. It's a tale as old as the monument itself, whispered among the pines of the Black Hills and echoing in the annals of American folklore. The idea that nestled within the granite cranium of the 16th president lies a secret room filled with important documents and artifacts. This intriguing notion first surfaced during the monument's construction in the early 20th century. The original architect, Gutzon Borglum, even hinted at the existence of such a chamber. But what could it contain? The Declaration of Independence? The Constitution? Or perhaps something even more secretive? Despite numerous investigations, the truth remains elusive. Some claim to have found evidence of an entranceway, while others dismiss it as mere legend. All we know for certain is that the mystery adds an extra layer of intrigue to this already remarkable monument. So, is there really a secret room hiding behind Lincoln's face? The mystery continues. Meet the man who turned solid granite into detailed presidential faces, Gutzon Borglum. This brilliant sculptor employed a range of tools and techniques to bring his ambitious vision to life. The process began with dynamite, a powerful tool that was used for initial blasting. This allowed Borglum to carve out the general shape of the four presidents' faces. Once the rough structure was ready, it was time to bring in the precision tools. Jackhammers, drills, and chisels were used for the finer details, carving out the eyes, nose, mouth, and other facial features with remarkable accuracy. These tools, in the hands of skilled workers under Borglum's guidance, transformed a mountain into an artistic masterpiece. The process, while laborious, was meticulously planned and executed. Each chisel stroke, each blast, brought the colossal faces closer to their final form. The transformation of a mountain into a piece of art, a testament to Borglum's genius. From alleged UFO sightings to hidden messages, Mount Rushmore is a fertile ground for legends and myths. Over the years, intriguing stories have woven an intricate tapestry of mystery around this monumental sculpture. Some claim to have seen strange lights hovering around the monument late at night, sparking theories of extraterrestrial activity. Others whisper about cryptic symbols allegedly etched into the granite, believed by some to contain hidden messages or prophecies. Then, there are tales of secret tunnels and hidden chambers within the mountain itself. While some of these rumors have a basis in fact, like the Hall of Records behind Lincoln's face, others remain unverified, teetering on the edge of myth and reality. Through it all, one thing is certain: these stories, whether rooted in fact or blooming from the fertile soil of imagination, have added an extra layer of intrigue to this iconic landmark. Fact or fiction, these tales add another layer of intrigue to Mount Rushmore. Despite its colossal size, Mount Rushmore is not invincible. It faces a daily battle against the forces of nature. From wind, rain, and snow to the freezing and thawing of ice, these elements gradually wear down the granite, causing erosion and weathering. Even the sun plays a part, with its heat causing the rock to expand and contract, leading to cracks and fissures. But fear not, the monument is not left to fend for itself. A dedicated team of preservationists are on hand, using cutting-edge technology to monitor and counteract these destructive forces. They use lasers to scan the sculpture, creating three-dimensional models that help detect any changes or damages. Regular maintenance and careful conservation practices ensure that this iconic symbol continues to stand tall. And so, Mount Rushmore, a symbol of America's past, faces its own battle against time and nature. But with constant vigilance and preservation efforts, we hope it will continue to inspire awe and admiration for generations to come. If you've enjoyed our journey through the history and mysteries of Mount Rushmore, we have much more to share. From hidden chambers to preservation challenges, we delve deep into the stories that make our world so fascinating. But to ensure you don't miss out on future explorations, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the world's most famous landmarks, explore legendary myths, and chronicle interesting historical events. Subscribe to our channel now and become a part of our community of curious minds. Your next adventure awaits.